Hey, welcome back. I got another quick video for you today on how to replace the battery in a Kia Telluride Key Fob. This one's from a 2020. I'm sure other models use something similar or maybe even the exact same. It's super simple. We just need to remove the physical key. So you're going to push this little button in at the end, pull that key out. That's how you open the door on your car if the battery dies on this. And then quite a few models are starting to do this. There's this tab here and this rib. You just need to put something, you got to hang on to it. You need to put something between the two and pry out just a little bit. And then the whole thing will pry apart. Uses a 2032 battery, CR 2032. So I have one here. I bought a 2-pack a while back for a different key. And it uses the same one, so CR 2032. Okay, so once you get the cover off, then you've got this 2032 battery. You just push on the back side there with a slide out. You've got a screwdriver, and then just push that out. Put that out of the way. And then put our new battery, you just drop it in, or drop it down, and slide it back in there. Snap the cover back together, and install your key. Alright guys, so that's it. It's super simple. You just need the screwdriver to pry the thing open. Might be able to use the key. You can use the key. It's a little harder to get in there to pry that out. But in a pinch you could make that work. But a quarter, a dime, something you could stick in there like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, all the other YouTube stuff. God bless, and we'll see you soon.